Start from here first. We'll try this. Yeah, this is working better. There. I think this should work good enough for me. There. Just like that. Get myself this pen good and sharp. And good and sharp. Let me draw this in. Move this over here. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. And I'll put a double yellow line right here, double yellow, and then a white block in there. It'll be just simple. Okay, last time I left off here, at the end of the last video, I'd just drawn in these white lines here, and I was just looking at them, thinking about them, and just deciding, well, that isn't really the approach I want to go with. So I decided to go ahead and airbrush my lines in. I've got one of them already outlined here with this painter's masking tape. This is a 1/4 inch wide tape, and I think you can buy narrower tapes too. I'd have to go to Micromark to do that, but I saw this at home improvement store. I thought, okay, probably good enough. Should let me do my curves a lot easier than the actual 3/4 inch blue tape. And if I need to, and if necessary, I think I could even cut this in half with a pair of scissors for short distances. Shouldn't be too much of a pain, I don't think, but we'll find out. Anyway, anyway, over here I was using the colored pencils to get these yellow lines in, and I'm pleased with the effect and how it turned out here. I wanted to have lines that look a little bit worn, a little bit, look a little bit old, so I used the pencils for that. So anyway, I'm going to try airbrushing these lines in. So I'm going to finish, I'm going to tape these white lines off. I'm just going to do these lines here tonight. I'm kind of under a deadline here. I've got Lost coming up at 8 o'clock, so I'm going to have to, I'll see how much I can get done. So I've got my compressor fired up, got some white paint. Yeah, and what I'm going to do for the lines here, white to border the road like that, and then from here to about here, double yellow lines, and from about here off, and double yellow lines, then like double yellow lines from here to here, and then these white, basically white blocks right there to signify the stopping lane or whatever you want to call it. I've seen a couple of pictures of grade crossings with just white, heavy, thick white stripes right across there. So I think I'll just do the same here, and then over here, and call it good for the grade crossing, because it's kind of a rural grade crossing. I know I could get all fancy and put these nice graphics on here, stop, railroad, with the X and stuff like that, but I'm just going to keep things simple. So okay, in order to get this to curve correctly, I'm going to have to cut this down, make this easier to bend. And I think they make 1/8" tape. Actually, I'm pretty sure about reading about it or seeing it on Micromark, their website, so I'm just improvising here. There. Voila. Oh, we're getting there. I need to put more overspray guards in this thing. But this 1/4" painter's tape comes in handy. It doesn't leave a gooey residue wherever you stick it down, so it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth the cost. Alright, got my overspray protection on there, and pour a little my titanium white that I've mixed up. Ooh, check that out. So